Google Pixel 8 launch. Google has launched the much-awaited Google Pixel 8 Pro and Pixel 8 in India, and both the phones are available for pre-order on Flipkart. We got our hands on both the devices at an event in India here. The Google Pixel 8 series is powered by the all-new Google Tensor G3 chip, which is a big upgrade from the G2 Tensor chip. And Google is promising 7 years worth of updates, including security updates, OS upgrades, and feature drops for the series. They also confirmed that parts will be available for the entire 7-year duration. The Pixel 8 Pro features a 6.7-inch octa-core display, which is Google's brightest display so far. The Pixel 8 Pro also has a matte glass back and aluminum housing, which does not attract fingerprints. There is also a new temperature sensor on the Google Pixel 8 Pro, which lets you check temperature of objects, including skin temperature. The smaller sibling, the Google Pixel 8, features a 6.2-inch octa-core display, which is 40% brighter than the display on the Pixel 7. The Pixel 8 has a satin metal finish and a polished glass back. Coming to the cameras, which are the highlight of the Google Pixel series, there's a new improved 50MP main camera on both the devices. So the cameras on the Google Pixel 8 Pro have been redone from the ground. So the main camera is a 50MP main sensor, there's a new 48MP ultra-wide sensor, and there's a new 48MP telephoto sensor, which has 5x optical zoom and also captures 56% more light. So the ultra-wide camera can also be used for macro focus up to 2 centimeters. The cameras on the Pixel 8 include the new 50MP main camera, 12MP ultra-wide camera, which can also do macro focus. Speaking of selfies, the front-facing camera can capture at 10.5 megapixels. So in terms of software features, so Google demonstrated a bunch of features. One of them is Audio Magic Eraser, which lets you completely cut out background noise from a video. We had a cool new setting in this demo zone where we were able to see the AI kind of remove the entire background noise from a video where the presenter was speaking. And there is a new feature called Video Boost, which is coming soon, later with an update which will give you power to edit videos in a more powerful way. There's also Best Take, which is a new feature which will let you take group pictures in a easier way. And the Pro controls are coming to the Google Pixel 8 Pro, which lets you control all aspects of the photograph while composing it, including ISO, shutter speed, and all those nitty-gritty details. So the Google Pixel 8 Pro is available in 2 colors, Bay and Obsidian, or the black. The Google Pixel 8 is available in 3 colors, Obsidian, Hazel, and Rose. The Pixel 8 starts at a price of $75,999 and the Pixel 8 Pro starts at a MRP of $106,999. Both devices will be available for purchase starting 12th October on Flipkart in India. Do let us know if you have any questions about these devices. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.